Well, how to do it. Give me a second to fix that on YouTube. It's new for me. Then, oh, yeah. Are you? Oh, video chat. Hello, guys. Hello, are you in? Just let me know so I can start. Because I'm just, this is for me, it's my first time ever. You can respond by voice. Hello, I am on. Do you hear? Are you in? Are we live streaming now? Hello, hello. Okay, there's something wrong in here. So, okay, so let's start right now here. Okay, you can text me then. I cannot hear you guys. I don't know why. This is something weird that I cannot hear any of you. Uh, all right. So, what do you edit chat, edit permission? Anyone? Okay. Okay. I'm starting here. Okay. So basically, guys, first, hi everyone. This is Mohammed. You can call me M, Mo, whatever you like. It's easy for you, or Zomo as Golden Muhammad. So basically, this is the typical shot. It's like a candlestick that you can all see. I'm not adding. Oh, the live chat on at YouTube is not also available. Okay, so let me go to YouTube back again. Uh, here's says. Okay. I've sent a new link. You don't have the link. I just sent a new link right now. Here we go. Close moderation helps everyone. Okay. Here is the link. Share. Okay. Copy link. And let's do it here. Okay. Okay. Let's go here. Here's the link again on the group. Do you have it now? It should be working right now. Are you in, Hansi? Hans? Nabi, you are in. Phil? Okay, you don't have a microphone, Phil. Marcus, you hear me? Are you in the live right now, guys? So I'm sharing the screen. Ah, okay. Great, great. Okay, let's do it now. So once you have anything, just answer me. Okay, great. This is a typical chart. Is you see any asset class. Let's stop. Let's not do gold. Let's do, what do you suggest, guys? You want to do BTC? Let's do Bitcoin. Here is Bitcoin. Okay, and let's go US dollar. Okay, this is the current market of Bitcoin. It's any asset class. So now let's define the candles where we see, first thing is to define where you have a mega candle. A mega candle like this one, this one, this one. So let's draw them. Okay, here is a candle. Okay, here is a candle. This is the latest. And here is a candle. This is a mega bar. And here is a candle, guys. And here's another one here on the top. But this is not a mega candle. This is stupid candle. It's not. So first, we define the price action where we say the spread. The spread is the low here and the top here. So that's called the spread. So the spread between percentage growth between this bar and the previous bar, it should be at least 1.2, 1.2, or like 120%. So definitely this bar is the spread. The price action here is extremely high. So this is so now once we see this bar, we comes to into a question, a very big question. Will it retrace? Is it fake? Shall I go on or shall I not go on? So that's every trader in a window is just like giving me a hard time. Shit, what shall I do right now? So basically, let's work. Let me load up here. Uh, okay, here's the indicator. So now I have, excuse me. Okay, so now this is the volume. Let's go back here to the volume. Let me fix it for you. Let you see it in the, okay. Okay, let's do the volume here because I do it in a different way. Volume. So this is the volume bars. Let's do it this way. Okay, here you see it. This is the volume. So here, this mega bar comes with a volume. Okay, this bar, the volume is mega, is huge here. Okay, and it goes up. The second bar, it came down. Now we see, let me hold on a second. Let me put it this way. So now you have a mega bar, and you do here, you make sure that this is the settings you have. Okay, where's the settings? Yes, here is the settings. Okay, make sure that the input here is the moving average length is 9, or you can make it 5, but 9 is perfect. Remove the color based on previous close. Inputs here on stat. So you have it. What it means here, moving average 9. This is simple moving average for the volume. The volume length is above 9. You can add here a moving average of 9, but it's not needed. So now I have defined this bar with the mega volume. As you see, the volume of the previous one, it started moving. The trend started from here. So what shall I do now? As a trader, anyone. So now I will have to define, well, escape. Let me do that. And this one here, not this one. Okay, so let me first, so let's do it this way. We define this mega bar. I'll do it and then I will share with you the indicator. Let's go here. Here we go. Okay, let's do the Fibonacci. From the top, it went top to down. Okay, so I'm not gonna do it the right way like you usually do it. You go from bottom up. No, I will go from top down. Okay, this is the zero. Okay, so here we go. So if you see, guys, this is the zero here. This is the 100 up. So I'm going down up. So I will reverse it right now to see where shall I go. Reverse here. Here is reverse. So this is the mega bar. So the mega bar here started. So right now I will say, oh shucks, this is a huge bar, came from down to top. Okay. The most important thing for you as a trader is to check where is the retracement. Where is the retracement? What shall be my stop loss? What shall be my stop loss? Okay. That's most important because that's where we'll check the next wave. So I keep this here in the chart and so basically, and let's do another reverse here. Let's do another Fibonacci. Okay, and let's do it this way. Okay, this way. And let's fix it here. I just want it's explanation. It's not extend to the left. Okay, and this is remove the reverse. Reverse here. So basically, I have here two charts next to me. I have one chart with two Fibonacci. One Fibonacci is retracement, and one Fibonacci is going moving forward. This is the mega bar. This is the bar that I should be focusing on. Okay, and I'll tell you how you can choose it, but I'll tell you which level it can go up to, and then where it will retrace. You see here, this level, once it went up, it went to the 127%. If you want to go long, this is 1 hour chart. It went to the 1 hour 27% Fibonacci. This mega bar, as you see here, it flipped. Let's do it here. Here's the one. This is the high of this bar. Here's the high. So it went to the 127. If it continued above the 127, it would go. Here's the 127. This is blue. It went here to this is the 127. Let's click this here. Okay, this is the high. This is the 127. It just passed. Okay, here we go. This is the high of this bar. It went above the 127 and then it started retracing. It should retrace. Okay, so I did. If you want to take it long, you have a momentum continuation. You should seek a level for 127, and then if it's very strong momentum, it will go to 141, 161. But it went to the level, and if it will retrace, the first after the trade, it will go here. This is like the 87% Fibonacci, 87, 86.7. And if it goes to 78%, you could put your buy order at this price, at the 78%. So let's recap back again, guys. If you have any questions, Hans, Habib, Marcus, Phil, just let me know. You can text me here on the Telegram. So basically, let's do that here.
It's 10:45.
Let's recap that again. First, we identify the megabars. One, two. We can do it on any megabar, any asset class. You don't care whether it's gold, whether it's the index, whether it's like oil or anything. You define that megabar. You do Fibonacci retracement going bottom up. This is the first one. This is the extension. Make it to the left and do another Fibonacci extension going down. Okay, and let's do it here. Let's do it extend to the right. And let's do it this way and reverse. It's already reversed. Okay, so now we have it. So now we know which levels it will retrace to and which level it will go. Okay, guys, are you in? Please answer me on Telegram so I can continue because this is definitely dedicated for you guys, the Zomo guys. All right, so now I know the levels. If it will retrace, see here, let's cancel those because we can do that again anytime. Okay, so guys, here, if you can tell, it will retrace to this level. Let's highlight this level here and let's check on Fibonacci. What is this level? Where it went up again. If you put the Fibonacci here, yes, no, not this one, this one. This is the retracement. It went below the 78% and pulled back up. And it pulled back up. You see, it pulled back up. So basically, it went to 127. If it will go further below the 78% Fibonacci retracement, it will go all the way down. It should go to this level. It will go to the 100%, and then after the 100%, it will go to 127, and then it will go. So this is you do it on any time frame, any time frame. So this is the 1 hour. If we go on the 15 minutes time frame, let's go to 15 minutes for you guys to take a position. Okay, let's go here. Here we go. Here we are. You do the 1 hour time frame, it goes up, and then it starts retracing. You see where it went down, and you go down here. You see, it started going 78%. It went up to the 50%. It pulled back down. It's taking liquidity. This is the market are doing the game. And then it's going up again. It retraced. And this is how it is. It's always, guys, trading is not about technical. It's about discipline and understanding the psychology of the institutions and the market maker because it's always about on greed and we sell on fear. So people here, this is a typical level. This is a typical level for anyone. Said, oh shit, this is 78%. People are just we if we cross the 78%, that means we are going down. I'm leaving. I'm out. So come on guys, you see here? Here's the candle. This is a tester candle. The red doji here. Okay. This is a tester candle. It went to 78%. It pulled up. Then it went down. It's playing games. The market maker is pulling. He wants to buy cheap because winning in trading is not about the take profit level. It's about the entry price level. And this is the FOMO, the fear of missing out. Anyone will go like, oh shit, this went up. It's moving. Let's go in. We are not. So this is the game. This is basically the game. So let's go back to my indicators, which I can share with you guys later on. Let's hide, 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 hide. Okay. Shucks. Let's do hide drawings here. That's easier. Hide drawings. Okay. And let's do indicator. Uh, I have to do all of them. Shucks. Okay, here we go, guys. Let me do that. So I don't want to. I want have a clean short. Okay, this is our short. This is like the 15 minutes. Let's go back to the 1 hour. So now you got the message. So now what I have done, I have the VSA mega bar. So this is the gold. This is the indicator. Because I set here the time frame here is different. In my indicator, I have the look back period. So basically, the body size multiplier is 1.5. Your body size should be 1.5 above the previous. The body size, which means the volume. Okay, here's the volume. Let's hide this. so you can understand. This is the volume. This is the volume. So this should be 1.5 uh, before the previous one. And then let's go where we were. Yes, a megabar. Okay. It should be 1.5. I'm showing you the setting. And the price action should be 1.2. The spread should be almost 1.2 and above. This is the volume multiplier. And the body size multiplier. Body size is the spread. This is the volume multiplier. Okay, and now I have built in the Fibonacci level. Okay, this is the 1 hour. It's very basic indicator. This is like my basic indicator. So because now I have the setting for gold. So let's do it here. The look back period, I put 5, let's put 9. Okay, mine's not where we are. Yes. So this is the mega bar where it's bearish mega bar. Here it is. And let's do it here. This is very important for you guys. If you want to work it on HLC. You want to see the high, low, and the closing price because that's most important. I don't care about the candle, whether it has a wedge, the doji, the wick, the anything. Just for me, the HLC. High, this is the low, high, and close. This is the most important thing for me. And then let's go here. So this is the bar. So it went all the way down. So it's retracing. If it went up, continued. If they have a momentum of going short, it will continue down all the way here. This is the 127%, but it didn't. It started retracing. It retraced up to the 78%. This is the 23%. This is 38%. This is the 50% Fibonacci. This is 61. This is 78. And start pulling up. It's pulling up back all the way up. It went here to 120, here to 120, negative 21% retracement, negative 38%. It went to negative 61. It went to the high here, almost to the to the 61%, negative 61%, and it's no negative 78%, negative 23% because this is negative 78%. So it start pulling. It's basically Fibonacci levels. Basic Fibonacci levels you got if you want to make sure that went all the way down. So you say to me, okay, that this strategy you just need it like that? No, guys, you need to add something else. You need to add always have confidence. My confidence is with let's place here accumulation and distribution. My bread and butter is the accumulation. I want to see where are the uh, this is the accumulation and distribution line. I added to it Bollinger Band. So I see, is it accumulating or distributing? The direction, the return, the rate of change. You can have this is my indicator, but you can have this ROC. This is a commercial type, retail type indicator. You have trading view. It's free. You just put ROC and you can add whatever what you want to calculate. So I calculate the ROC here. The ROC here, it gives you the pivot. It's called ROC indicator. I think here you have it. Let's go here. Show about the script. Just get this indicator, guys. ROC divergence is by Shark CIA. Okay. This is very nice indicator. Just go get it. Do the settings. It show the ROC. Just play with the indicator. So now I have confidence here with what? With the with accumulation and distribution line. For me right now, it's on 1 hour time. It is it's distribution right now. It's distribution. It's below the mean line is decreasing. As you see, 80 direction is decreasing, and the RSI is decreasing. So ask me where's the RSI? I have the RSI here. I can add it here from my indicator, but I'm not. I just want you to see where you can get it. This is the RSI. This is another RSI. This indicator you can get it also for free. It's called RSI. Any RSI indicator. So, but this indicator is unique. You can, it's free on YouTube. Let's get about the script. Here you have it, guys. No, it's not this one. Where is it? Or this is my indicator. No, it's not about this script. Yes, this is my indicator. About the, no, it's not my. Okay, about the script. This is not my indicator. This is. Let me check here. Hold on a second. Source code. Is it my indicator or their indicator? No, this indicator is not mine. This indicator is, I don't know how you can get it, but any typical RSI, you can tell from the RSI, you need to have confidence. Here's the confidence, here's the 50%. This is the interesting thing about this indicator, it has the RSI with the Bollinger Band. So you can check, this is, I'm just showing you basic uh, retail indicators that you can use to do it. Okay, and this is most important. So now you have the RSI is decreasing, as you can tell here. Here's the RSI line. Let's take this out. I'll show you. Yalla, style. This is not my indicator RSI. Let's take it this way. Okay, as you can tell, this indicator is amazing. So you can tell here the RSI is declining. This is BTC. This is Bitcoin. Okay, so it's declining. This is the 1 hour time. So now let's take the decision. I want to know whether this that shall I take it this next level? Shall I go up here? That's for me. That's the target price. If I'm going long, this is the target price 84,000 for 500. Let's put 84,500 for simplicity. And if it retraces down, that's my stop loss is 82,906. But in the meantime, I have here retracement level. So it went here and it touched this level, which is, since it's going short, this is the 78%, this is the 61%. So it touched here the 61% and it's pulling back up, and it went up all the way here. It's faking out, it want to go up here, but there is increased, uh, there is, how I say it, sellers are in, the seller is, but it's not a buyer market, it's a seller market, or it can be a fake out, he's buying, he's getting liquidity grab. But here's the top line. As you see, it couldn't, Bitcoin could not do above 84, 193, 84, 200. Let's say it for simplicity. Now we'll go to gold. So now you know that this is the target level and it did not breach this level. So at this level, so you can set it. You have your own tools, guys, that you are using as well. So that will help you. But I have another amazing tool that I have created, indicator. You see, this is the tool. This is the tool here. So I just build up. It's called boosted volume analysis. So this bar, it put the zero line. Let's put it this way. Okay, let's share with you the component of this indicator. Let's take this bar color. Let's remove the bar color and let's remove the revolve. This is basically the indicator. So above zero, that means the trend right now. If you check it, let's go here and go this up. So for you to understand why I'm saying the market, here the spread difference is 48%. It's going, the spread, which is the length of the bar, is 50% of the previous, the spread change is 50% above the bar. Here you see it, it's above 50% plus because it's not negative. So we are doing higher than this bar. And the volume here is increasing, is 18%. So this is basically, definitely, its volume is the key. So now the price is going down. But I have something else. The most important thing in this
11
strategy
hours.
you want to use is to use revolve, because volume is the king. Volume would tell you where to go. So this is like 1 hour. So it started the hour, usually on the tip of the hour, the price goes down. So not this one. Here we are. Come on. You have the parallel bar and the revolve. The revolve, it's the most important thing for you to use. You need to see this value. You need to see this value because this value is very important. Let's take those out. Okay. And here's the revolve. Revolve is from 1 to 2. So revolve here at the previous bar, the revolve was 0.26. It's not, you don't have a mega bar. But let's go here. Let's go to this bar where we have the mega bar. You see, it's blue. I colored them blue. So the revolve here was how much? You check. It's 2. 2 is freaking too much. This is freaking big, above 1.5. So this is a mega bar. So definitely there will be a reversal. The one ahead of it, this candle, it is, okay, it was 1.82. So anything above 1.5 is great, but you need to see the revolve. So once any bar I want to trade, I do that on revolve. So I do the revolve. For me, it's very important for me. So let's go back to our gold. Let's go back to our gold key string. This is for you guys. And here's gold. This is how we ended yesterday. Okay. This is the gold of yesterday. This is the indicator, basically. So gold here as, yes. What I did, I just want to highlight, I make the volume as area. I don't use the bar type because I want to see, it's like any spike above this is the tip top of the mountain. Any spike above the tip top, and this is the moving average 9, that means for me, I have a volume increase. There is action happening. So volume is very important. Okay. So basically here at this bar, and you can tell here it went up here. Let's do it this way. Let's go here. Uh, Here, guys. This is the latest mega bar. This is the latest mega bar. So the price went down and start retracing all the way up. So this is the most important thing for me. This is the my anchor bar for the current. I do the 1 hour trading because this is very important for me. So what time was that? The price retraced. That was on Friday at 7 o'clock in the morning, Cairo local time. The price at almost at the end of the Tokyo session, the price retraced and then it's pulling up back up again. You see it retraced here. It went all the way to the 78%. Then it retraced back. It's getting collection liquidity. Once there is, again, guys, once you see this mega bar, this is very important. It's defined. You define a mega bar. You do the retracement. So definitely this is the end. Basically, this is the lower tip. Just do the reverse. It will go all the way up here. It can go up to 127%. So that's why you need to redo the Fibonacci. So what about here? So it went above and is flying, and there's no mega bar because my settings here for the mega bar is, here you go. It's 1.5, 1.2. My look back period is 5 because this is for me for gold. I look back 5 period behind, 5 bars behind because it's very action related. You can do it 9, 8. Let's say 8. Let's see. It will change the value for you. No, it's still, this is the mega bar. You can change if you are very tight. You are very, let's make it 2 and 1.5. Okay. It didn't change. So it changed here. So that's the mega bar. So let's continue here. Let's take this example of this mega bar. So we did here, it's like the look back period is 8, and we made the body size multiplier is 2. I need the spread to be 2, double, and I want the volume to be 1.5, not 1.2. So this is very strict. So as you see here, it went all the way to the top here. It retraced back to the 50%. It pulled back up, and then it started. Here we have a double top. Here, see, and then it went down all the way, almost touching here the low end here, because as you see, this is the top, double top. For me, this is double top. It will go up. It couldn't do it. It went all the way down, and that's your stop loss if you took the trade from down from the bottom here. But actually, for me, the stop loss will be here. And since it went up, I will do the stop loss at the 50% of the bar, and then I will go all the way down I didn't it retrace back all the way up. It started going back all the way up and do. Let's go back to what I do. This like it's not my say. I'm just showing you the concept how you can use it. So let's go back here. So this is the trade, and I did yesterday the Fibonacci. You see, because I do the 5 minutes. I have a different trading technique. So this is the mega bar went down, but I'm still here. I'm still here in this area. I did not, I do not have a mega bar, but I had a revol. I had a revol. Here's the revol. Revol was above 1.5. You asking the bar change color. So let's do it this way. And let's go here. Let's do it up. Okay, guys. And that was the revol bar. Let's see why that revol bar, it was very important for me. And let's do that. Let's take out. So let's see the revolve line and let's do it. Okay. Here's the revolve. How much was it? It's 2.41. Shucks. And here revolve here is 1.88. So I go to the highest revolve, even though the bar was small. I did not have a mega bar. There's no mega bar. You see this bar here. So let's highlight it here. Uh, and let's do it this way so we can know which bar. Okay, let's do it this way. So that's the mega bar that, okay, okay. That's the mega bar. So what I did in this mega bar, I went to the bar that's ahead of it. Why I went to this bar? Because the previous one, usually once you don't have a mega bar defined, but you have the revolve bar, you go to the bar before the revolve because that's where you put your benchmark. That's your, listen guys, this is very important. This bar is very important for me. So now I will knock out this, I'll knock out this, the mega bar thing. Okay. This mega bar here, it's very interesting. Okay, this mega bar here, this is not a mega bar. I do not have a mega bar. The volume does not spread for me, but I have a revolve bar, which is here. It's like 1.88, but this 2.4. So I draw a Fibonacci level, bottom up, because it was coming top down. So now it should be retracing. So I draw this yesterday. Okay, it will never go. So this, and I usually buy from this level. I wait for the price to retrace here, like at this mega bar. I did a trade yesterday here. I took it from the 60%, 32%, 32 to the 60. It's rarely to stay to the 78 because I do not have a mega bar. I'm very risk avert. And then I waited. It pulled up. And once it went up and started declining, I have other indicators. I took it a short time, one in an hour time. I finished the trade and then I waited. I was very scared afterward. I did not take any trades. And as you can tell, the trade is when between this rival bar here. It went between the rival, the bar, the rival minus one candlestick. So let's put it this way. Are you following me here, guys? Are you following? Just I'm waiting for your question. Do you have any questions, guys? Answer me on the Telegram group because I do not have, I'm on my screen here. You have any questions? Hello? Hello, guys? Do you have any questions here? I'm just, hello? Hello? Guys? Are you in? Any questions? I'm waiting for your reply, guys, here. Do you have any questions? Okay. So that, do you have any questions, guys? Let me know. Phil, you're typing something. Marcus, New Zealand. Anything? So I haven't seen any indicator here on TradingView. Phil is asking me, does the market maker use this method? Basically, I'm playing the market maker. He's using this way. This is his way to get in the market, but he's using it on the 4 hour time frame because this is his 4 hour time frame. If he's playing this game, he will start not in 1 hour time. He will do the 4 hour, 1 hour. We do the 1 hour, 15 minutes because he's not scalping. So let's do it here for you here. BBSA 4 hour. Okay. The revol the revol is the relative volume strength. So that's the same bar 5 bars before. There's an indicator called revol. Let me try to find for you here if there is a revol indicator here. By the way, this is the 4 hour shorts. Uh, this is the 4 hour short for gold. This is how uh, market makers does it. I'm not very well, like here's 1.2. I think they do 1.2 here and 1.1 and 1. This is their short. This is how they do the game. They do 1.2 and 1. Okay? It's the idea easy, Marcus. It's just you find the mega bar. It has the high strengths. Do it as you see here. Let's do it this way. It's easy to spot it. Okay? And let's do it. It's easy to spot it. If you do here like I did here, here's the tip top. This is a mega bar. This is a mega bar here because you have the moving average 9 and it's above it. This is the tip top. Here's another one. It's declining afterward. It should go down and pick up. Here's another mega bar. Here's a mega bar. So you always check that. You will find it with Reval. Let me do here for you if TradingView has a Reval. Let's write up. This is my relative volume. Relative volume at the time. Let me check this indicator. Here you go. Yes, you have this indicator. You can use this indicator. It's called RelVal. Here you have it, guys. Visual about the script. Okay, it's on TradingView. It's called RelVal. And let's about the scripts. I just want to get you. Okay. No, it's not. Let's check the source code here. Source code. Yes. It's called RelVal. You can take it. Import from TradingView. Here you have it here, guys. I don't know who's the author, but I think this is TradingView. It's called RelVal. I'll write it for you guys. RelVal. You can use this one. Go read about it, more hands, and let's check it here. You can do the RelVal anchor time frame. You can do it like 4 hours, shorts. Okay, cumulative, yes. And let's virtue. Okay, here we can go this way. It's 9. And let's do it.
It's 11:15.
It's very 11. We have it. Okay. It's not as user friendly as mine because I custom made it. I custom mine to my needs, but it's okay. It's acceptable. The colors here are dull. Okay, so okay, this is not bad, by the way. Okay, it's not bad. This is the one. It's not bad. Anything above the one is okay. As you see here on the indicator here they have, this is the reval. Here you have it, which is this is the 4 hours. Let's go back here to the 1 hour. Let's match that to my. No, I don't want the view up. I want here. Where's the VSU? Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do the settings here like I used to do it. My settings 1.5, 1.5, 1.2. Okay, here's I deleted my ribbon. Here's the bar. Let's do it here. Check that here. Uh, yes, here's the bar. It's highlighted here. And as you see, I did it here earlier. It's that bar. So the calculation is there. You got it, guys? So the rel vol is doing relative volume, reval. Any other questions? Text me. Gentlemen, any questions? This is very important indicator you should be using all the time to check the market. This is the basic. This is price action. No smart money, no foolish thing. You just know where the market is doing, what market maker is doing. I'm trying to, it's like playing with the flow. I'm just doing what smart money is doing. I'm going with them basically without no indicator, zero indicator. You can build that up. Once you can start it up like that. If you want to do it, let's do a quick recap. Okay. So basically, here I have volume. Here you have guys, this area. I have a megabar here, so I will highlight this megabar. Okay. Here you have it. Let me take this out. Okay. Here's a megabar. So highlight it. And the megabar here is done by, let's do the vertical line here. Here you have it, guys. Here's a megabar. Let's send the revolve again, please. The revolve. Uh, let's explain it to you. Let's go about this script. Let's go here. The definition here it says is the total amount of asset traded within a specific period of time at the relative volume of that indicator. It says like 5 bars before now. So like say it's 11:20 right now Egyptian time. So like say 4 hours, 5 hours from now. So it's 6:20. At the same time, 6:20. How would that volume doing? Is that volume compared to the previous 5 bars? Is that above? Is there market coming in? Is that accumulation and distribution in? So that's another way to see whether the market is accumulating or distributing. Are they putting money in or not? Okay. It's just like it calculates the money of it calculates the volume, relative volume, that relative volume for the previous look back period, 5 bars, 10 bars, at whatever is like. If it's one, that's that's okay. Below one, that's weak. That's distribution. Above one, that's starting to accumulate. 1.2, 1.5, that's supersonic. Two, it's extremely all the way up, and it will reverse. That's usually once I see two, it's like reversing. And you have it here. You can check that on the indicator here they have. At the time, once I did my indicator, it did not have relative volume indicator on trading view. So that's it. Any question regarding gold, guys? Phil, this is my indicator. This is my trading platform. It's too much noise, but let's see gold. Let's do this. Okay. For me, this is how I see it. This is how I trade every day. So, do you follow my? Do you see my screen, guys? This is the 1 hour gold. Here I have it. This is the RSI. The RSI is increasing. I have the RSI plotted on the price pane. I have here the accumulation line, and I have coloring for it. I see here the RSI, the low time frame, which is 1 hour, is the ROC is declining. What you want, guys? But nothing is by itself is okay. Is you need to have confidence. This is my max, which is the VSA gold. This is my setting. This is my screen. This is how I have this gadget here. Have it here on the side to see it's consolidating. The breakout, the revol, the volume is negative 67. So usually I need to see this gadget next to me all the time. And I have here the most important thing, revol. The revol is not valid. I do not have a breakout. It's zero point 0.4. Okay. And revol does not make a difference. It does not give you the direction. Uh, you can have it. Revol measure the breakout, whether it is bearish or bullish. So is that okay, gentlemen? Nabih, are you fine? Hans, Marcus, Phil, we have 5 minutes more to go, and then I will. If you have any questions, just text it. Yes, always good. Hans, are you always good with you too? I'll quit. Hans, Marcus. Okay, I will close here the live chat, the live video on YouTube, and we can chat here on the group. Is that okay, guys? All right. Okay. Okay. Stop streaming. Stop. Okay.